Introducing the stunning 1940 Austin 8-2DR Saloon, a rare gem priced at just $10,000. Located in McCleary, Washington. This classic car features a robust four-cylinder engine, a smooth manual transmission, and a clean title status. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, it's in good condition and ready for its next adventure. Its gray paint adds to its vintage charm, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or as a unique street rod. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own one of only 3 left-hand drive models known to exist. For more details, visit the link in the description. Discover an automotive gem with this 1929 Model A pickup, priced attractively at $10,000. Located in Glen Rock, Wyoming, this solid classic boasts a reliable 4-cylinder flathead engine and a clean title status. The manual transmission adds to the authentic driving experience, and with only 12,345 miles on the odometer, it's ready for the road or as a project for restoration. Known for its historical significance and vintage charm, this pickup stands out with its classic black paint. Don't miss out on a chance to own a piece of history. For more details, check out the link in the description. Welcome, classic car enthusiasts. Today, we spotlight a stunning 1931 Chevrolet 5-window coupe, now available for just $9,000. This beauty boasts a clean title and a solid, all-original build, showcasing its charm without any rust or body damage. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it has an odometer reading of 72,000 miles, hinting at the adventures ahead. Imagine the attention it'll grab at car shows or on the open road. Don't miss this gem with great restoration potential and rich historical value. For more details, don't hesitate to click the link in the description. Happy cruising! Introducing the classic 1923 Ford Model T, a true piece of automotive history. Priced at just $9,800, this beauty is located in Paso Robles, California. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, it features a reliable gas engine and a manual transmission, perfect for those who appreciate the art of driving. The car boasts a clean title and has been lovingly restored with modern upgrades, including a new distributor, coil, and water pump. Its stunning black paint and new upholstery make it a standout. Ideal for parades or family outings, it comfortably seats 6, making it a fantastic choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a classic restoration project? Check out this 1937 Chevrolet Master Sedan, available for just $6,000 in Lincoln, Nebraska. This solid steel body car is ready for your custom hot rod build. With a 6-cylinder engine, a manual transmission, and 64,238 miles on the odometer, it offers both vintage charm and potential. The car has minor rust, faded blue paint, and a few dents, but its body lines are perfect, and the doors and windows work like new. Plus, it comes with original parts, including the eagle hood emblem, original key, owner's manual, and hubcaps. The 6-volt electrical system is fully functional, with working lights, brake lights, dash, and horn. Don't miss out. This rare 1937 Chevrolet Master could be the perfect project car you've been waiting for. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing this rare 1924 Ford Model T truck, a true gem for classic car enthusiasts or restoration lovers. Priced at just $3,500, this truck is located in Eagle, Idaho. This vintage beauty features a 4-cylinder engine, a manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The odometer reads just 1 mile, adding to its historical appeal. While it's in fair condition, this truck is a perfect project for someone looking to restore a piece of history. It has been garage stored for the last 30 years and comes with most of the necessary parts, including a secondary gearbox. The engine is still serviceable, and while it needs coils, the potential for restoration is undeniable. The title is currently missing, but with its solid foundation, this Ford Model T is ready for a second life. If you're interested, head over to the provided link for more details, pictures, and to make an offer. Introducing the classic 1929 Ford Model A Tudor sedan, a true gem for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at just $4,800, this vehicle is located in Yakima, Washington. With a fair condition rating, it boasts a manual transmission and has an odometer reading of 200,000 miles. This solid car comes with a clean title and includes spare parts like a cowl, rear panel, and headlights. Its historical value and restoration potential make it an exciting project for anyone looking to dive into classic car culture. For more details, visit the link in the description. Discover the charm of the 1929 Mercedes kit car, available for just $9,975 in Edmond, Oklahoma. This classic beauty is in excellent condition, boasting a clean title and only 12,000 miles on the odometer. Built on a Pinto frame and engine, it features an automatic transmission, making it a joy to drive. With its historical value and potential for restoration, this car is a must-see for any classic car enthusiast. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Visit the link in the description for more details. Get ready to embark on a journey back to the classic era with this stunning 1930 Ford Model A, priced at $10,000. This beauty is located in the charming town of East Greenwich, Rhode Island. With a robust 4-cylinder engine, a smooth manual transmission, and only 19,000 miles on the odometer, this convertible is in good condition and ready for a new home. Its eye-catching green paint adds to its vintage charm, making it a perfect candidate for restoration or leisurely drives. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, check out the link in the description. Introducing this classic 1931 Ford Coupe A, an iconic piece of automotive history that's ready for a new owner. Priced at $8,000, this car is located in San Diego, California. The 1931 Ford features a 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, giving it that timeless driving experience. With only 4,567 miles on the odometer, this classic car is in fair condition and boasts its original black paint. Its clean title status ensures peace of mind for the buyer. This car holds historical value, having entered Mexico in 1954, and still retains its USA pink slip and export permit. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or simply appreciate vintage vehicles, this Ford Coupe A offers incredible potential. For more details, visit the link in the description. Check out this classic 1931 Ford Model A Tudor. With a price tag of just $4,000, this vintage beauty is a true project car with plenty of restoration potential. Located in Pearland, Texas, this Model A is a fantastic find for any classic car enthusiast. Featuring a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and an odometer reading of 69,652 miles, this sedan is perfect for anyone looking to restore a piece of automotive history. While it's listed as being in fair condition, the car comes with a rebuilt radiator, new water pump, stainless running boards, and even a rebuilt starter and carburetor. Some parts need attention, such as the splash aprons and welting, but with a little work, this classic car could be brought back to life. The fuel tank is in good shape, and the engine has 50 psi on all 4 cylinders. Keep in mind, the title is missing, but this car still holds a lot of potential. The seller will be attending the new Braunfels swap meet April 17th to 19th, and delivery within 100 miles is an option. For more details and to see pictures, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Introducing the classic 1931 Model A two-door sedan, a true gem for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at $8,500, this vehicle is located in Bullhead City, Arizona. With a robust 8-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive, it boasts an odometer reading of 100,000 miles. The body has been sandblasted and primed, ready for your personal touch. This sedan features a clean title and is perfect for restoration or as a hot rod project. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to a classic piece of automotive history. Presenting the 1933 Chevrolet Master Tudor, a vintage sedan that embodies the charm of its era. Priced at just $2,500, this car is located in Jenks, Oklahoma. With a manual transmission and a mere 1 mile on the odometer, it offers a unique opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Although the title is missing, the potential for bringing this classic back to life is immense. Imagine the stories this car could tell. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing the stunning 1938 Chevy Master Deluxe, a classic beauty that combines vintage charm with modern performance. Priced at $8,500, this vehicle is located in Tacoma, Washington. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 300 horsepower engine paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth ride. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, this car is in good condition and features a striking blue paint job. It comes equipped with power disc brakes and power windows, making it a joy to drive. This classic car not only offers a glimpse into automotive history, but also presents a fantastic restoration opportunity. Don't miss out on this gem. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a classic car project? Check out this 1938 Chrysler Royal sedan, ideal for skilled technicians and vintage enthusiasts alike. Priced at just $800, it's a salvage car with some real potential. This beauty features a 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, with an odometer reading of 1 million. However, it's crucial to note that this project car won't run or roll due to extensive rust on the floor panels. With no title available, it will be sold with a bill of sale only. Together, we can bring this piece of history back to life. Explore more by visiting the link in the description. Introducing the 1939 Chevrolet Rat Rod Pickup, a unique project vehicle priced at just $800, located in Colorado Springs, Colorado. This classic pickup features a 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, with an odometer reading of 85,000 miles. While the condition is fair, it offers great restoration potential for enthusiasts. The truck has been sitting for a long time, and although the grille is missing some parts, it still retains its original drivetrain. The box is from a 1954 Chevy, and it comes with a hood and one bumper, along with original headlights. Please note that the gas tank and seat have been scrapped due to rust, and the title is missing. This vehicle is perfect for those looking to dive into a restoration project or add a piece of history to their collection. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing the classic 1940 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Business Coupe, yours for just $3,500. Located in Osmond, Nebraska, this charming coupe comes as a roller without an engine, offering a unique opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. With a clean title in hand, you're set to bring this piece of automotive history back to life. Featuring a manual transmission and a clean odometer reading of only 17,652 miles, this model exudes vintage flair and character. Whether you're an avid collector or looking for a project, this vehicle has the potential to turn heads on the road again. For more details about this classic find, visit the link in the description. Welcome, vintage car enthusiasts. Today, we have a remarkable find for you. A 1926 Dodge Brothers pickup, available for just $500 in Jenks, Oklahoma. This classic beauty may be in fair condition, but it boasts an odometer reading of just 1 mile, hinting at its untouched potential. With its original manual transmission and charming wooden wheels, this pickup represents not just a vehicle, but a piece of automotive history. Imagine the stories it could tell and the memories it could inspire with the right restoration. For more details, check the link in the description. Don't miss out on the chance to own a slice of the past.